now I'm going to make the braided border. So I'm gonna make this noodle. I so envy you if you have an extruder again. So put these two here together and just twist it. Okay, so I got something like this. And now I'm gonna take the border and I'm going to place this starting from the corner like this and push it onto the clay. Okay. And here at the ending I'm going to cut this part and I'm gonna use this to merge it with another piece of braided noodles.
Hey Curious Mondo fans, thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out the other videos in the channel for some fabulous tips, techniques, and interviews with artists.